Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, 2019. Looking at our homework for this evening. Our Module 12 quiz in math will be tomorrow. All right, in honors, you have an assignment tonight, 12.2 and 12.3 review. In science, there is no homework. Hopefully, you were able to go through and get your in-class assignment done and submitted today. In social studies, there is no homework, but remember, we do have a quiz coming up later in the week. In language arts, for the afternoon classes, your expository essay is due by 10 p.m. this evening. And then you also have a 6 traits of writing Google form for homework this evening. Take your time on it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Don't rush through it and get a poor grade. And you also need to bring colored pencils with you. In literature, assignment number 6 is due for surviving the Applewhites. Remember, chapters 29 and 30, those are posted on Classroom. And there are also links on Google Classroom where you can study and review for your test over surviving the Applewhites this Thursday. That's going to be it for this evening. Have a great one.